Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is another tasty recipe. Today we are going to be making banga sauce. Please stay tuned. So guys, for this recipe I'm using fresh tomato, white onions, maggi, crayfish and ogiliobe, dry fish, frozen scent leaf. If you don't have frozen scent leaf, you can use spinach, but scent leaf also add the smell and the aroma to the sauce, so it's good. But if you don't have it, you can use spinach, salt, mixed seasoning, my tin palm sauce. Okay, back home you use the fresh palm nut to make this sauce, but here there's no fresh palm nut, so I'm using the tin one. Okay, Nigerian dry chili, thyme, and that is my meat. In there I have beef, I have shaki, I have bomo, cow skin. Okay, we're going to season our meat and then start cooking our meat. Now we are going to season our meat. I'm using one big onions. I'm gonna use the half of the onions to season the meat. Okay, and I'm gonna use the half when I'm making the sauce. I'm going to add 2 maggi in it, mixed seasoning, thyme and salt. I'm going to put that on the stove. I'm not gonna add water in. I'm just gonna allow it to simmer a bit without adding any water. Let it simmer first. I'm gonna cover it, start cooking it. At some point I will add water, but we're gonna cook our meat until our meat is done. So guys, while that meat is cooking, I'm going to add hot water in my dry fish, and I'm just gonna let it sit there for 5 minutes and then I'll clean it up. Now I am also going to slice my onions. And I'm also going to slice my tomato. So guys, I am going to add my crayfish in here, and I am also going to go and blend the crayfish and the ogiliobe. Okay, so guys, it is time to take our meat off from the stove. Okay, it is done. So now guys, I'm going to add my palm inside the pot. So I'm just rinsing it out with hot water. So I added like 1 cup of hot water. Okay, now I'm going to cover and allow it to boil on its own for like 10 minutes. So guys, after 10 minutes, as you can see, the oil is coming out of it. You can see the oil around it. Okay, it has boiled very well. Okay, I'm going to add a couple of stuff now. I'm going to actually add my meat stock in there. I'm going to add my dry fish, onions, tomato. I'm going to add dry chili. Nigerian dry chili. I'll leave adding Maggi and salt. I just want to allow it to boil up because I added the meat stock in there. When it boil up for another 10 minutes, I'm going to taste for Maggi and salt and see if I need to add any. And I'm going to add my blended crayfish and ogiliobe in there. Okay, now I'll cover for another 10. So guys, after another 10, I am going to add my meat. Okay, now at this point I'm going to taste for my Maggi and salt. Okay, there's no Maggi, there's no salt, so I'm going to add Maggi and salt. I'm going to add 2 Maggi, salt, and I'm going to add mixed seasoning. I'm going to add a little bit more of the dry chili because I can't taste it, so I'll add a little bit more of that. Now I'm going to mix. Now I'm going to cover for another 5 minutes. So guys, after another 5 minutes, it is time for me to add my scent leaf in there. Okay. Now this sauce is ready. We're just gonna allow it to simmer with the scent leaf for a few seconds, and yes, it tastes super delicious, guys. Now I'm gonna cover for a few seconds, and this sauce is ready. So guys, after a few seconds, the aroma here is unbelievably yummy. The scent leaf is just smelling so nice and so wonderfully good. Our sauce is ready, guys. It is time for me to take this sauce off from the stove. I can't wait to just dive in. It looks so delicious and so yummy. So yes, we are done here. Let me take the sauce off from the stove. Now look at that, it looks so good. So guys, this is where today's recipe is going to end. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give a thumbs up. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all on my next one. Thank you. Bye.